Hello everyone, my name is Akmal. I am one of the participants of Virtual Design Master, and as per the third challenge we have to have automation and orchestration of our data centers. So we are supposed to work on our home lab and achieve the targets given, the task given. So let me introduce you to my home lab. I have a assembled desktop. To brief you with the configuration, uh, it's a uh, it's running on Windows 8 Enterprise Evaluation, and it's a AMD processor, 8 core processor with 4 gigahertz speed, and it has 16 gig of RAM and 1 terabyte of hard drive. So I'm for my lab I'm using workstation 9. So in the workstation 9, I have created 3 virtual machines. All of these 3 virtual machines are running ESXi 5.1 with different configurations. So basically 2 ESXi hosts would be used for the complete setup, and the third one is for vCloud director. So you could see here the first ESXi host is configured with 8 gig of memory and 8 processors, which is 4 processors with 2 cores each. And similarly the other virtual machine has 4 gig of memory and 8 processors, 2 physical and 4 logical. So I have installed virtual center on the first virtual machine. So here is my environment. If I go to the host and cluster view, you could see both of my hosts. So host number 1 is running most of my virtual machines. My virtual center is here, and my Active Directory and domain controller is running on the other host. So I have some workstation, some desktops, Windows 7 and Red Hat Enterprise Linux workstation, and I'm utilizing 2 gold images for the deployment of the first task. If I go here, so these are my gold images which I would be cloning for the automatic deployments, and for vCloud directories on the third host. So this is about my lab. I'm utilizing only the local storage here, so I would be compromising on few of the distributed services which are available because of which would be available with the shared storage. So this was about my lab. In the next video I'll go ahead with the first task.